Okay, so I just ate some peanut M&Ms, and I wanted to get the chocolate taste out of my mouth. And I was thinking about brushing my teeth. And then I was thinking about, should I have gum or should I brush my teeth? And I was thinking, all those gums that say, they're going to whiten your teeth and stuff. I think that on the box or, the package, they should say, do not use this as a substitute for brushing your teeth. Because, I'm sure that one person has seen gum and they're like, maybe I can just chew gum and not have to brush my teeth ever again. So, I was just thinking, they should probably have that on there because people are gonna start thinking, maybe I don't have to brush my teeth anymore. Because I know some people who would rather not brush their teeth. But of course, brushing your teeth is something they need to do. Yeah, so I was thinking that they should brush their teeth. But, obviously, my choice is the gum.